Who wants that taking off first, getting in, and then putting that back on?
How much you asking on your clock?
25.
Worth it, but I'm a reseller.
It's worth it. It's worth it. £20 def on it. That is the
No, I would need to make a profit. I was hoping for a bargain, but it is worth it.
On eBay, and some are 35, some are 75. Same thing.
Wow.
But I can't find that colour.
No.
So it might be a rare colour. I don't know.
Could be.
£11 whip bench.
Well, I do that. Well, I do.
Alright, go.
Hello.
Hope you're interested in looking so cheap.
Let's see.
Telly's a pound and it's sound.
It's a pound and it's sound.
Honestly, if it's not sound, bring it me back next week and I'll give you £2.
Wow.
Yeah, really. I got
It's got its
everything
lead,
up.
huh?
Yeah, it's all tidied up. Look, it were hanging out because I get all stuff from charity shops. They got overrun with stuff.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, so they give it me, you see, because I do it for dogs and kids in Thailand.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it works, look, and if it don't, you're not happy with it, bring it back next week. And
Well, listen, for a pound, right, it's not even worth bringing back, is it?
Hey, where's that? That's American. Whereabouts?
New York State, but not New York City, up north, you
It's in
know.
there for you.
I'll take it now, because my mind's like a sieve. I'll probably forget it.
Bloody hell, I don't want you to forget it. It makes I've got more room in my van to go to charity shop later.
Thank you.
Ready for tomorrow.
How much is your backpack?
I wanted 10 for it because I paid 30 and he got in it once and that were it.
Oh,
But he can make me an offer because honestly I just got rid.
all right. Would you do 5?
Yeah.
All right, let's go for that then. Let me see. There we go.
Yeah, have a look at the profile.
How much is your money box?
£3.
£3? That's quite cute.
Can't buy them now.
Oh, sorry?
You cannot buy them.
Well, I actually just saw one at a charity shop, but I didn't pick it up while I was there. Right. Would you do 2? No. Let's do the 3 then.
Through there first. They're all in shame.
There we go. Thank you. Hiya. Can I bug you for a price for these items? Here we go. And this little guy.
$5 that lot?
Sounds good.
Okay, thank you.
Let me get that for you. Thank you. Here we go.
Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a good day.
You too. How much for this picture?
Which
This one.
pound up? You know what it is though, don't you?
No, I just like the fruit on it.
I just love it.
Let's see. Oop,
I
wrong
love
thing.
these two as well.
Oh, party light. Yeah, my cousin sells that stuff.
This is only £2 for the two.
There we go. Thank you. I'll take this then. It's pretty cute.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Wrong time of year for it, but that's all right.
Well, it'll be alright for next year.
Exactly. How much for your dinosaur?
I'll go for £1.
A quid. I'll give it a go. Let's see.
Oh, thank you. Cheers.
Here we go.
Okay.
Thank you.
No, but later on, press, you start loading when you're not selling. That's what you see.
Fine, I just popped it there.
Hello. How's it going? Not too bad. That's what I'm here for. I could be all right sometimes, you know. Given the day. Given what day it is. Jesus.
£72, that's what I mean. So 100 quid I'm not using my pension. You know what I mean?
I think I'll just get this for 50p. Let me see. I only got pound coins though. Oh, thank you.
£2 for that.
£2, huh?
Cheap, innit?
That's not bad. I'll do that.
Yeah, all right, mate.
You won't be like that.
I got 5 on that. I think it's one of them.
iPads. It looks like a fake one. Yeah.
That's what I think it is.
I was looking at it because a mate of mine was just asking for them, but I don't think that'd be what he's looking for. Let's see.
I've got a few. I've got 3 of them. Different colour ones. One, blue one.
I'll let him know when I walk past them again. Thank you.
It's only 3 for £1, so that's one lot. Oh, it's so cute, dude. You get 2 more items. Only 3 items for £1. If you want all them cups and things, I'll do them all for £1.
Well, yeah. Oh, I'll do that. All except for, I'll leave the one that's got a chip on it.
Yeah, I'll pass me that here, I'll bin it. Okay, so you can have it.
Thanks.
You don't want it?
Nah, thank you. Let me see what I got here. I'll keep looking. Let me just
have another one because that's £1. It's only 3, so it's only 2 there.
Right. Let me give you the 2 now, and I'll pick out another.
No, you've got another item. 3 items for £1. That's one item. 2 items. You've got 1 more item.
Oh, right. Okay. Thank you. I like your style. Oh, that's all right. I got that trolley over there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Only 3 items £1.
I'll take this if that's all right.
Take them both.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, mate.
It's cheap.
Appreciate it. I can't say no for £1. I mean, it's the...
Only 3 items for £1.
So lump that is.
Thank you. Let's hope I can get it in the car by myself.
There you go.
Right, let me give you your money. All right, thank you, sir.
All right, no worries. It's a good little typewriter, that.
Yeah, it looks cool. Yeah, I think it needs a good clean, you know, but it's really cool. So thank you so much.